Thinking about dinner tonight. How about we do a grilled chicken, tomato pesto, pasta. Good man. Let's go. Hello, old friend. I haven't woken you up in a while. About that time. Might be about time I drop this thing in the self-cleaner. Whew. Uh-oh. Oh, so close. Yeah, that's what we're going for. Even had to bring out old painless. Damn it. Let's throw some cherry in there, see what happens. Lift them. Doing mushrooms. We're doing this spinach concoction with the pesto sauce. Making it up as we go along. Right, baby?
Roll it all together.
Mwah. Is that what you guys are after? What? What? We are good to go. Oh man, let's eat.